Welcome back to Top Buys Reviews. Today we're bringing you an in-depth top 5 showdown of Amazon bestsellers, starting with the fan favorite Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360, plus 4 worthy competitors. We'll cover pros, cons, real user feedback, and why these are trending in 2025. Please like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. If you're shopping for a vacuum that handles pet hair, stubborn dust, and multiple floor types, stick around. We've researched Amazon ratings, real-world reviews, and expert insights to bring you the ultimate guide. 1. Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 UV440. At number 1 is the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe, Amazon's perennial bestseller in the sub-$200 upright category. The pros: powerful suction for its class. Users report it picks up extremely well on carpets, well above the rest of the lower price range. Liftaway canister turns it into a pseudo-canister vac, letting you clean stairs, ceilings, and upholstery with ease. Sealed HEPA filtration system, excellent for allergy control. Real Simple and Better Homes and Gardens cite it as the best budget HEPA upright. Swivel steering and lightweight design, a 16-pound boost maneuverability around furniture and tight corners. Easy empty dust cup and washable filters, low long-term cost and good maintenance design. Cons: no LED headlight or brush roll height adjustment features. Brush roll tangles easily with pet hair. No anti-wrap text, so regular cleanup required. Filter tends to clog with fine dust, frequent cleaning needed to maintain suction. Slightly top-heavy design, can tip if bumped, especially on stairs. Suction is strong for budget tiers, but can't compete with premium models on deep pile carpeting. This one continues to rack up glowing Amazon reviews. Real Simple calls it a pet owner's dream, and with nearly 19,900 5-star ratings, it's clearly delivering value in real homes. 2. Shark Rotator Professional Liftaway NV501. In second place, the Shark Rotator NV501 brings premium features, LED headlights, anti-wrap brush roll, and a larger dustbin, all above the NV360 base model. Pros: very strong suction across carpet and hard floor surfaces. Users say it sucks dirt, pet hair, dust, better than even older Dyson units. Anti-wrap brush roll and jam indicator light reduce maintenance headaches. Liftaway versatility plus extended hose and powered pet tool for above-floor cleaning convenience. Sealed HEPA system, swivel steering, and LED floor head give premium usability. Larger 1.3-quart bin holds more debris, fewer stops mid-clean. Cons: higher price tag, around $280 to $300 on Amazon, than NV360. Still slightly heavier, approximately 15.5 pounds, upright mode, and bulkier than NV360. Some SKUs may lack consistent build quality, early units missing headlight or anti-wrap depending on batch. If you need more power, more tools, and are okay spending extra, the Rotator Pro is a significant step up, yet still solidly mid-range. 3. Dyson Ball Animal 2 Upright Vacuum. At number 3, the Dyson Ball Animal 2, renowned for delivering the highest suction of any upright vacuum on the market. Pros: unmatched suction, 306 AW, ideal for pulling embedded pet hair and deep carpet dirt. Self-adjusting cleaner head handles mixed floor types intuitively. Whole machine HEPA filtration certified for allergy control. Large dustbin reduces stops. Ball steering mechanism provides surprising agility, even in tight spaces. Comes with turbine pet tool, stair tool, and multiple accessories for detailed cleaning. Cons: heavy unit, approximately 17 to 18 pounds. Many users note it's difficult to use on stairs repeatedly. Premium price tier, even refurbished versions top $220 to $300. Mixed feedback on steering. Some users find ball mechanism unintuitive or awkward. For pure suction power, few upright vacuums compare. But if you need lightweight use or tight space agility, budget models might be more comfortable. 4. Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 High Performance PET UH72630PC. Number 4. The Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 PET model, built for pet owners needing reach and deep pickup. Pros: strong suction courtesy of Wind Tunnel 3 airflow channels, excellent on pet hair and deep debris. Long 40-foot cord reduces outlet switching, includes pet turbo tool, dusting brush, and crevice wand. Reusable HEPA filter with added carbon layer helps reduce pet odors. Easy to empty tank and brush on-off switch simplifies floor-to-floor transitions. Cons: very heavy, 20 pounds, making stairs or moving the unit taxing. Bulkier design lacks swivel ease, harder to pivot around tight furniture. Complaints about some flimsy attachment quality and inconsistent customer service experiences. No self-clean brush roll. Hair wrap requires manual cleanup after use. If you're tackling pet hair on carpeted or sprawling surfaces, Hoover delivers, but be ready to handle its weight and larger footprint. Bissell Clean View Swivel Rewind Pet Reach. Rounding out the list, the Bissell Clean View Swivel Rewind Pet Reach, the best budget pick for pet hair and quick cleanups. Their 4 pros: incredible value, $120 to $150 with strong suction, especially for pet messes, according to People and Others. Easy to maneuver with swivel head. Automatic cord rewind makes storage neat and hassle-free. Assemblies often take under 3 minutes. Tools stored on board. Large dustbin. Floor-to-ceiling cleaning covered. Triple action brush roll picks up large debris, cereal, pet litter, and fine dust efficiently. Cons: low clearance head struggles with denser debris and occasionally pushes dirt instead of picking it up. Mixed durability. Some users report plastic parts breaking or brush roll stopping. Not true HEPA filtration. Less ideal for allergy sufferers. Performance drops on high pile carpets. Best suited to tile, wood, low pile surfaces. For basic home use with pets and lower budgets, the Bissell Clean View is surprisingly effective and simple to use. Just temper expectations on build and allergen control. Suction power: Dyson, Shark Rotator, Shark Navigator, Hoover, Bissell. Allergen filtration: Dyson and Shark models, HEPA, Hoover, Bissell. Weight and maneuverability: Shark Navigator, 16 pounds, easiest to handle. Rotator: Dyson, Hoover, heaviest, Bissell. Price: Amazon. Bissell, $120 to $150, cheapest. Shark Navigator, $150 to $200. Hoover, $200 to $220. Rotator, $280 to $300. Dyson, $120 refurbished to $400 new. Maintenance ease: Bissell and Navigator, easiest to empty, clean filters. Rotator, moderate. Dyson filters, washable but heavier. Hoover tools, weaker. So there you have it, our top 5 upright vacuums on Amazon, featuring the Shark Navigator Deluxe and 4 strong alternatives. Let's break down who each model is best for. Budget and allergy-friendly value. Go with Shark Navigator Deluxe, NV360. Lightweight, HEPA, and a detachable pod make it a versatile, everyday machine. Want stronger suction, LED light, and anti-hair wrap tech? The Shark Rotator Professional NV501 is your next-level pick. For maximum raw suction and proven deep clean performance, Dyson Ball Animal 2 is still among the best, even if it's heavier and pricier. Pet Hair Central. Need more cord reach, threadbare carpets, or large rooms? The Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 PET delivers power and tools, but expect a heft trade-off. Looking for a budget-friendly, plug-and-play pet vacuum with great maneuverability and minimal fuss? You won't go wrong with the Bissell Clean View Swivel Rewind Pet Reach. As of mid-2025, all these models are active Amazon listings with thousands of verified reviews. Just check item availability in your region and confirm features like LED lights or accessory bundles. Some SKU variations exist. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more cleaning tech content, and comment below with your floor types: carpet, hardwood, tile, and pet situation. Need a cordless wand comparison next? Let us know.